Okay, so it's been a total of 15 hours for these two burning together. This one has actually been burning 3.5 hours longer than this one. This one is a Glade made in Canada. It's not a cheap candle, and they don't fill it all the way. I did previously burn this one, but not very long. And they don't give you very much. So this is a 15, maybe 16-hour candle. And these so far, these two have been burning for 15 hours together. So I'm forced to have to put this one out because it is down to the very bottom. There is nothing really left. And I don't want it to heat up and crack my surface. So I'm going to take a cup and snuff that out. There you go. And that's done. Notice how the edge is burnt. So that's telling me there's stuff in the air that I'm not happy with. And on this top of that, they don't give you the ingredients that they use. They don't tell you what's in this candle. And I don't like that. I've tried to get something that was not made in China, that was decent, had a good smell, but I don't like that they don't tell you what it is. And this is what's happening. So now this shit, excuse my language, is in my air in my house. Not happy with that at all. This is a candle that I made with beeswax and coconut oil and organic essential oils, lavender and chamomile. So I'm going to let this keep burning, and we're going to get a total burn time for this 6-ounce candle.